and it has to be owned by the people, for the people. So that is the solution for autopilot in tests and testing Teslas. So the two things aspect is, one is we test them using, because currently race courses are sitting empty. There's a whole lot of Hossy, like even Calgary Stampede, the Hiawatha, the Hoss Park, all kind of Hoss Parks and all. They don't really have this except for the weekends. So during the week and the nights and all, when the horses are eating grass and doing the right hossing, we can use that same space to test them Teslas and other kind of autonomous cars and make them good, because it's like that's a nightmare situation. I keep on with thinking of the poor young showing off boy on in Shanghai driving his Tesla and hitting a garbage truck. Imagine what, like, phew, that's just awful. And same with that that person going after a bike ride and crossing the off ramp, wacko. And then there's another boy. I think he was in the Midwest. He put a lot of YouTube video. Because there was a trailer doing a U-turn on the highway. U-turns on the highway like wrong. Now this was like a real nightmare situation, but only a human being could. And also, going that speed, he could have easily stopped it. Why was it a nightmare situation? Because that whole trailer is white. Haven't you seen like a white truck trailer? And the machine just couldn't see it. And it just kept going. So the guy got shaved off or shivered off the top of his car. The thing got shaved off. Like, just imagine he pretending to sleeper to wheel, putting all this thing like it. And I think it happened live on YouTube. He was live streaming the crap shoot because he was like a big Tesla fan. So autopilots is we need the things. This is the pitch for it. Or this is the way to go, my friends. You need like an enterprise system that is orchestrating all these other machines. There's a whole lot to do it, but it all comes in enterprise, the enterprise solutions. So that would be the enterprise solution to autonomous vehicles.